Canada is home to many wonders, and Niagara Falls is one of them. So today we're going to see if we can visit it, but on a motorcycle. Now before you ask, yes, this is a lowering link for my rear suspension of my ZX6R. But my ZX6R is currently not lowered, and I needed something to hold my mic. Sue me. Don't actually sue me. Anyways, Niagara Falls is about 2 hours from me, and one of the most touristy places in the country. Now, if you watched my Costco video, you know I like checklists. Here's what I have to pull off today. 1. Find parking. We all know that can be an adventure in itself. 2. Go see the falls up close. After all, that is why you visit Niagara Falls. We can't skip that one. 3. Visit the Wax Museum. I have a feeling this is going to be terrible, but let's figure out just how bad it is. 4. I have an idea, but I can't tell you about it yet. And number 5, this one matters. I have to make it home before nighttime. My visor is so tinted I genuinely can't see at night, so this is a non-optional. I have to make it home or I'm in trouble. Let's go.
Hey there. Good. Can I do $30 on pump 6, please? 93, please. Perfect. Thank you. All right. Quick stop for gas.
We made it! Alright, first let's head down to the falls and see it up close. Let's see if we can find a spot to pull over.
Do you mind taking a picture of us? Sure. That is great. Thank you so much. Nice shirt.
Enjoy your ride. Watch out, there's
Yeah,
cops.
thank you. Yeah, I thought I would just quickly pull over and then... What a nice guy. I didn't get his name. He was actually wearing a Kawasaki hoodie. I didn't see that until he grabbed my phone, so that was a cool coincidence. Well, I saw him taking a photo of my bike. So my first thought was, oh, I mean, if he wants to take a photo of my bike, then maybe he wants to take a photo of me too. Seeing the falls up close, accomplished. Well, let's see if we can find a parking spot. I think I'll go back up this area here. It's where you have a lot of the tourist attractions. And I know that there's a parking lot up there. So I'll be pretty close to where I want to go. I'm going to see if I can cut a little deal with the people letting you into the parking lot. Let's see. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Is there a motorcycle special?
There is.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, but
I thought I'd give it a try.
yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh. All right.
All right, parking secured.
I just wasn't able to get any discounts. But the guy was so nice. Let's see if we can find the Wax Museum. That looks pretty good. Is that it? Movie Land Wax Museum. Hi there. Just one adult.
just on the Jimmy Fallon show.
That is not Harry Potter. That is... Oh my god, it's Edward and Bella.
Nah, they did Forrest Gump dirty with this one.
Damn.
That's creepy.
I'm Batman.
Alright, wax museum done. It was way better than I expected. I mean, some of them still looked kind of wonky, but overall it was a good experience. And that haunted section at the end, I was on the edge if I should actually go in, but I decided to do it, and I'm happy I did. It was pretty fun. Now, number 4, the surprise. I mean, this is not called Full Throttle Fred for nothing, right? I think we gotta go check out the go-karts. Alright, time for a quick snack. Alright, that's a wrap for the go-karts. I did have to live up to my name and do full throttle. I went full throttle the entire time. There was no other way to do it because they were so slow. If you're used to a little bit of speed, maybe don't go on these ones. I mean, overall, it's still a motorized vehicle. It's still fun at the end of the day. It was a bit of a shame that they didn't let you use your own helmet, but the guy came and told me that they don't fit under any kind of racing regulation. They fit under amusement park regulation, so they just have to stick to their own helmet. So I wasn't able to get that POV view while driving.
Alright, it's time to head home. As I was leaving the parking lot, I spotted this Lamborghini Temerario. It's the first time I've seen it in person and it looks pretty good. Nice color as well. Now on my way home, my camera died, so I wasn't able to prove that I made it home before dark. You're gonna have to take my word for it. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing and let me know down below what you would like to see next. See you in the next one.